Hi, Sam here again for JJ Cycles, and I've brought my pride and joy with me right here. We're going to subject some locks to some torture. We're going to lock this up and we're going to hit these locks with things that will be in any bike thief's arsenal. Hopefully subject them to a good amount of abuse and see which gives up first. I know what my money's on. For the first video we're using this trusty hammer. We're going to be trying out a couple of locks, some of them sold secure gold, some of them sold secure silver. We'll run you through which ones are which and we'll start whacking them in a minute. We're going to lock this up now. I wouldn't recommend locking it this way, but today we're not in the game of securing a bike, so we're on about breaking bikes or locks. So that's secure and it's hammer time. This one is the sold secure silver ABUS 410. I'm going to whack it now. Seems to be holding up all right. Well, it doesn't seem to be budging, so it's passed the hammer test. This one's the ABUS Granite X Plus. This is sold secure gold, so in theory it should be a lot stronger than the one we just tested. Right, back to hammering. Well, as you can see, apart from the cosmetic damage, it's held up pretty well. Since the lock has suffered some cosmetic damage, I'll just make sure that the barrel is still intact. Yep, all seems fine. Just the plastics come off it there. Next to get hammered is the ABUS Ultimate. Yep, that one seems to hold up well. Again, that's a sold secure silver. And I'll just check that the barrel still works. Yep, all works perfectly fine still. Okay, this next lock is the ABUS Bordeaux. It is a sold secure silver. And we are locked and ready to test it. Alright, let's get hammering away. Well, that's the barrel. Seems to hold up okay. Let's try one of these flexible joints here. So far so good. Well, the locks have held up against the hammer, but we're going to be using some more tools because cycle thieves are sneaky and they don't just come equipped with hammers, they've got a lot of other things. So in the next couple of videos we're going to be testing them to the ultimate limits and we'll show you the progress of how they get on. Hopefully they stand up to it. I think they will stand up to it, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.